Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. I am Mazi Ezike Chinedu from Bagzinet Productions. I am so excited to introduce our comprehensive UI UX design course on how to build a fintech app from scratch using Figma. This course is tailored for aspiring designers and professionals that are looking to dive into the rapidly evolving world of fintech, equipping you with the tools and techniques that are needed to design a seamless user-centered app from start to finish, or should I say from the ground up. So guys, what will you learn in this course? In this course, you will start by understanding fintech design principles, which involves mastering the unique UX and visual requirements that are specific to the fintech sector. Next is understanding user research and personas. At this stage, you will discover how to identify target audiences, conduct user interviews, and also create personas that guide the design process. Next is wireframe and prototyping. In this course, you would learn how to create interactive wireframes and prototypes in order to visualize your fintech's app core functionalities. Next is UI design techniques. Here you would have the opportunity to dive deep into typography, color theories, iconographies, and component designs that are tailored to financial products. Next is usability testing and iteration. At this stage, you would get hands-on experience with usability testing to refine designs based on real user feedback. So guys, why is it important for you to choose this course? Now, with fintech booming, there is a demand for skilled designers who understands how to build secure, user-friendly, and visually compelling financial tools. By the end of this course, you will definitely have a full-fledged fintech app design in your portfolio and the confidence to approach new fintech projects. So guys, who should join in this course? Now, this course is ideal for designers of all levels, starting from complete beginners to experienced UI UX professionals that are aiming to expand into fintech. Now, no prior experience with fintech is required. I will guide you every step of the way.